Hello and welcome to today's top cryptocurrency news breakdown. We'll dive into some of the most impactful developments in the crypto industry and discuss how these events could shape the future of the market. Let's get started. Matthew Siegel, head of digital asset research at VanEck, recently expressed confidence that the US Security and Exchange Commission will approve a spot Solana-ETF by the end of 2024. This comes after the SEC has shown hesitancy toward greenlighting spot ETFs for cryptocurrencies, citing market manipulation and regulatory concerns. What is the impact on the crypto market? If the SEC indeed approves a Solana ETF, it could be a game changer for both Solana and the broader crypto industry. Spot ETFs directly track the value of assets, unlike futures ETFs, which are seen as more complex. This approval would grant institutional investors easy access to Solana without having to navigate the complexities of holding the actual tokens, potentially driving Solana's price upward due to increased demand. Furthermore, such a move might set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Cardano to follow suit, leading to greater institutional adoption across the market. In a significant market shift, XRP's price has surged past the $1 mark, a psychological barrier it hadn't breached since December 2021. XRP's rise follows a series of legal wins in its ongoing battle with the SEC, giving investors renewed confidence in the token. XRP crossing the $1 threshold could signal a bullish turn for the token and the broader market. XRP has long been a bellwether for altcoin performance, so its resurgence may inspire optimism for other cryptocurrencies. Additionally, this price surge could attract more retail and institutional investors, further fueling market liquidity. It's worth noting that XRP's legal victories could also set legal precedents that reduce regulatory pressure on other cryptocurrencies, boosting overall market confidence. US lawmakers have voiced accusations that the SEC is unfairly targeting the cryptocurrency industry through excessive regulations and enforcement actions. This criticism comes amid a series of legal battles between the SEC and major crypto firms like Ripple, Coinbase and Binance. These actions have raised concerns that the regulatory agency is stifling innovation rather than promoting investor protection. These accusations add fuel to the ongoing debate about how the US should regulate the cryptocurrency industry. If lawmakers successfully challenge the SEC's action, it could lead to more favorable regulatory frameworks for crypto companies. This might encourage more innovation and business growth within the US, attracting companies that have previously considered moving abroad due to regulatory uncertainty. However, if the SEC's aggressive stance persists, the market could see heightened volatility as companies faced increased scrutiny, potentially showing adoption and investment in the short term. The state of Pennsylvania has introduced a groundbreaking bill that aims to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve at the local government level. The proposal calls for up to 10% of the state's $7 billion budget, around $700 million, to be allocated to Bitcoin investments. If passed, this would make Pennsylvania one of the first US states to officially adopt Bitcoin as a strategic asset. The introduction of a BTC reserve in Pennsylvania could significantly shift public perception of BTC, especially as a legitimate asset for state-level financial planning. This move might inspire other states or countries to consider similar policies, further legitimizing BTC as a hedge against economic uncertainty. If the bill passes, demand for BTC could rise as more governments see their potential in diversifying their reserves with cryptocurrency. In the long run, this could reduce Bitcoin volatility as it becomes more integrated into public financial systems. That wraps up today's rundown of the top cryptocurrency news. Each of these events carries major implications for the future of the market, from regulatory developments to price surges and adoption at state levels. As we move forward, these stories will likely influence the growth and mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies, potentially reshaping the global financial landscape. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to keep an eye on these key trends as they continue to unfold. See you soon.